Hello, my name is Auren and I'm here to tell you about explanation text. I know, weird, even though I have my guitar. This is not a guitar tutorial, I just want to make it more interesting and enjoy. Here's me explaining it. Right, now I'm gonna tell you the wondrous world of explanation text. Let's get started, shall we? Hello, I'm Auren. This is my English assignment task and nice to meet you. Explanation text. What are you? Well, explanation text is a text that explains how and why a certain phenomenon happened. Next. But why? Why do you exist explanation text? Well, explanation text has its purpose. The purpose is to explain the process of making something or certain activity that is related with social life, science, culture, etc. Next is general structure. What are the general structure of explanation text? Well, it has three. The first one is general statements. Well, what's in general statement? Well, it has the general explanation or is just introducing what event that will be discussed. Moving on, the second one is sequence of events. Well, in the sequence of events, there will be the main explanation of how and why the event happened. It is often to write the process of how the event happens here. And then, last but not least, closing. This is where you end your text with the conclusion of what has been told in the whole text in brief. Sometimes, an explanation text doesn't have a closing because the conclusion is already made in the end of sequence event. The next one is language features. What are in the language features? Where there are 5. The first one is simple past tense. Simple past tense is used for explaining facts that are in the text. The second one is action verbs. Action verbs is used to explain actions that is or are happening in the text. The third one is passive voice. Passive voice is used to focus on the object that receives the action in the text. The fourth one is noun phrases. Noun phrases is words, phrases, or clause that explain the context by adding the information of time, place, conditions, reasons, or purposes. The fifth one is technical terms. Technical terms is words that refer to the discussed phenomenon. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to wear your mask, wash your hands, stay home, and have a nice day. Back at me again. I know it wasn't much, but I work hard for it, okay? And I do hope for you to enjoy it and learn from it, I guess. I just want to complete my English assignment. So, thanks for watching. Bye.